Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the second day here in California, and not better than getting up with good coffee and a fireplace. We don't have that in Miami, so I really enjoy this. Today we are going to amazing wineries here in Napa. And I'm gonna take you guys to see all of them. So let's get ready.
All forgiven.
So today we are going to visit how many wineries? Four? Three? Four. And such an amazing way to start a day with a little prosecco, champagne, right babe? Cheers. Let's get this party started. Karen, look what you just missed. The first winery we are visiting, and I'm already mesmerized. For those that really like doing wine tasting, this is an amazing experience. The weather is so yummy because it's not too hot, not too cold. It's a perfect weather, and now it's a low season, so you don't see that many people here. So that's one of my tips if you guys come to Napa, in the beginning of the year. It's the best. Just take advantage of that.
The earlier you would start to see in some cases less than 2 tons an acre. Don't feel very heavy in the first place. The fruitiness of the 16 is pretty obvious here because it's a red wine. You're also there's not much we can't get from them.
I wish you guys could taste the wine through the video.
Yeah, it gives
amazing. The whole experience. The works. So our guy just said this is the best place with the best food in Napa, and let's try it on.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you.
So I'm a little drunk. Our guide was a little too fast, but I can't wait to try the food. Obviously, I'm drunk.
I think I'm gonna get the Bentayga.
Tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you.
Guys, this place is gorgeous. I can't wait to try the food. But to be honest, the girl was a little too fast.
Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. You know the drama.
Tres wineries or 4 more, babe? Good morning. This is our second day here in Napa, and we are going to have a little breakfast at the hotel, and then we're gonna head up to the other wineries that we have planned, and I will show you a little bit about the hotel, which is so pretty, but I can't wait to get drunk again, because yesterday we got wasted. We just arrived at the first winery for the day, and this place is gorgeous. Oh my god. Guys, I'm in love.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love, and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, what we do, it stays.
Oh my god, the food here is so delicious, so yummy. Oh my god. We're gonna go back to Miami, a few pounds. The food was amazing in the restaurant, and right behind it we have this little coffee shop here, so cute. We're gonna have a little espresso, and then we're gonna head back to the wine tasting, because that's why we're here in Napa, to get drunk.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
This is the last winery that we're going to. I'm sad. Wow, look at this. You guys have no idea how pretty this is and how big this is. And it's gonna be just us at this beautiful table, beautiful setting. Let's wind it up. Hope we're in a very good way.
Tell you my name. Yeah, I could have been a day, could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. don't be ashamed. 'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself.
Morning, good morning, bon dia. We woke up at 6 a.m. today. It's our last day in Napa, and we are gonna end it up in such a good way. We are gonna do a airboat ride, if I can say that. Very excited, and I'm gonna show you how. And after that, we're gonna go to my favorite winery. It's gonna be the last winery, and yeah, and I'm still going to go back to San Francisco and try to enjoy the day there. It's gonna be a pretty long day, and I am taking you guys with me. So let's go.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun. But it
We
don't
started
mean
to
that I'm in
point up
love.
right now. That's exciting.
Like
Are you
you
nervous?
are. You gotta step
Yes.
up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do.
It's so stable.
Make me fall
It's very
for
stable.
You should learn that on your own. I play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while.
This is the end. That was so pretty. As long as I really enjoyed so much, it's so good to be on the floor, on the ground floor. Right, babe? Little dance for you guys. Wow. Delicious.
It's lavender. It's a lavender latte.
What? A lavender latte? I never had this before. It was delicious.
Opus One Winery.
Hi.
Right.
Oh my God, I'm so excited about this winery because it's one of my favorites, one of our favorites.
One of everybody's favorites.
So can't wait to check it out, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down.
So we are back in San Francisco, and we are going to cover some of the main landmarks for you guys. And now we are here at Castro, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm very excited to be here again. Let's go. You're not excited. Oh, he's very tired though. Right? Are you tired, babe? Yeah, but this is so cute.